Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create a default profile to save more time when creating new profiles. First, go to Settings and select New Profile Default. Here, you can set up default profile parameters such as user agent, hardware settings, WebRTC, browser language, screen size, bookmarks, tags, startup URL, and more. When creating a new profile, if you don't customize anything, that profile's settings will follow the default profile settings. Note that in the WebRTC section, there are 3 different options. When you enable Altered, the website will detect the IP address of the proxy attached to the profile. This applies when using a static proxy or a proxy with an IP address that does not change each time you use the profile. If you choose Disable, the system will obfuscate the connection so the website cannot retrieve the IP address. In this case, the website will assume the IP can't be obtained due to a transmission error, not because the user intentionally disabled WebRTC. If you use a rotating proxy, you should choose this option. Lastly, Real means the website will detect your machine's real IP even if you are using a proxy. For bookmarks, you can upload a file in HTML format or enter them manually using one of 3 formats: folder name, URL or name, URL or URL depending on your needs. In addition, you can also choose Restore Previous Browser Session. When running the profile, the system will reopen the previous tabs. Please note, if you don't select to save and sync data to the server, the profile data will only be stored locally on the computer you are using. After finishing the setup, click Save to save the settings. Now, when you create a new profile on Hidemyacc, the settings will automatically follow new profile default. If you need changes, you can customize them or simply click Create to finish creating the profile. Above, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to use the new profile default feature to set default settings for new profiles. If you notice any changes to the feature, please contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for the fastest assistance, or access the Hidemyacc user guide linked below the description. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.